Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your microphone which is not working in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, search for microphone privacy settings. Once you've typed microphone privacy, this microphone privacy settings will appear. Double tap it to continue. Okay? Okay, so once you have successfully opened your microphone privacy settings, here aligning the microphone access, you need to make sure that it is on. So in your case, if it is off, then turn it on, okay? As well as here in the let apps access your microphone, it might be turned on as well, okay? So make sure that all of these two are turned on. Once done, try if your microphone is now working, okay? Unless if it doesn't, then let's move on to the second step, which is at the start icon, do a right click and scroll up and go for device manager. Here in the device manager will be automatically updating as well as manually updating our microphone. Now how we can do that? Go for this audio input and outputs. Look for it in the device manager. Usually it is the in the upper top of the device manager options next to your computer name. Okay? Once you have found it and selected it, click this forward arrow and select the microphone that you are using. So in my case, I'm using this microphone, the GM20 USB microphone at this time. Okay, so do a right click and go for update driver. And the moment you've clicked it, you will be up to choose between two options, which is search for automatically and search for manually. Now go with search for automatically first. If your computer states that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then simply go back by clicking this backward arrow and proceed to browse my computer for drivers. Here, proceed to let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. Click it, and here you will be able to see the drivers present in your device. Now, here's the catch. You need to try out one by one of the drivers and then click on next and check the other two or the other three and the rest of this driver here and check if what will work for you or what will be compatible in your Windows or computer. So check if what driver will fix your problem and check if your microphone is now working. Okay? And let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to the next step, which is we need to open our sound settings. Now, click this speaker icon, do a right click, and proceed to sound settings. The moment you have opened your sound settings, make sure that the input device is the microphone that you are using. So not the other one. In my case, I'll be not choosing this microphone array, Realtek or Audio, because now I am using this microphone, DGM20 USB microphone. So make sure that it is the correct input device, okay? Once you're done with this, proceed to more sound settings. Click this arrow icon and then this sound window will appear. Here you need to make sure that the speakers is in default device and simply click on it, go for properties and make sure that it is enable. So use this device enable, apply and OK. Once you're done with the playback under the speakers, proceed to recording and make sure that the microphone is in default device as well. Okay, do a right click again, go for properties, and make sure that use this device enable is in the default. Okay, click on apply and OK. So once you're done, simply close this window. I'm sure your problem will be fixed. Okay? So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.